For the Finance Bill 2024, which was presented on the 23rd of July 2024, one of the provisions says that indexation on the sale of immovable property which are held for long term will not be available anymore. This comes to my surprise that what could be the reason, and I'm looking forward to find out the answer from Shri Pinakin Desai, who will be speaking to the entire audience.
The finance bill, which was read out by FM Nirmala Sitharaman yesterday, has brought out many changes, and one of the most important change is the taxability of gains from buyback of shares. I would be looking forward to hear views of Shri Pinakin Desai on how the taxability would change from 1st October 24, when the income would be arising from buyback of shares by an Indian company.
In the Finance Bill 2024 presented by Honorable FM on 23rd July, new section 194T has been introduced, whereby the firm shall deduct tax at 10% on the remuneration, commission, interest, etc. bonus paid to the partners. I am seeking for clarity whether share of profit shall also be included in case of a non-resident partner, whether 195 shall apply or whether 194T shall apply.
The budget has made a lot of changes in the reassessment and assessment procedure. There will be a lot of controversy, and we hope that Pinakin Desai's lecture meeting on Saturday on the 27th in the morning would clarify all our doubts. The BCS, as usual, is also bringing out a publication for public consumption which will also clarify all doubts of all persons. Thank you.